equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, power off your Acer Aspire E17 and unplug it. Gather your tools, a Phillips screwdriver and an anti-static wrist strap. Begin by removing the screws from the back panel. Keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently lift the panel to access the internal components. Next, locate the hard drive. Carefully disconnect the SATA cable and remove the screws holding the hard drive in place. Take out the old hard drive and set it aside. Before installing the new one, clean the area with a soft cloth to remove any dust. Now, insert the new hard drive into the slot. Secure it with screws and reconnect the SATA cable. Replace the back panel and screw it back on. Power on your laptop and check if the new hard drive is recognized. If you need assistance, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Enjoy the convenience of pickup and delivery at your home. With no calls and no travel, you can get a quote before repair. Your Acer Aspire E17 is ready for action. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.